How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, sir?
Not bad. I'm doing good. And I'm very happy to welcome you here today. I've been told that you'll be here since about last month, and I was looking forward to this day. Actually, this week. I think on Wednesday or Tuesday, your older schoolmates, I think class 3 and 4, they came. And then today is your day, special day. And then you're looking forward to come to the president's house. You only see on TV, and you have seen me on TV, and I'm here facing you today. I welcome you all. You all look good. Yeah. You have beautiful eyes. I can see everybody's healthy and is ready to come and visit the State House. I know you'll come here, you'll learn a lot. So when you go back home, go and tell the stories to your family, to your mom, your mothers and your parents and your elder siblings that you've been to this State House. And go and tell them what you've seen and what you think is special at the State House. And I know you'll, I may be, will they be going to other places or just here? Okay. So make sure you try and capture everything that you see here. Okay? Capture it and go and keep it as a memory. Right? The memories of you coming here. So that at one time, as you grow up, then you'll reflect. Or every time you see the State House on TV, or you see me, or you see this gentleman or the ladies at the back, you will always remember, I've seen the gentleman from the State House. So that way, it might inspire you to come and work here. Maybe for the boys to be the guys in uniform, or the ladies in uniform. You could be working here, welcoming school children like you. Yeah. So you visit here. I know it's going to be an educational one, and it's going to be a memorable one. So I can see a few faces are yawning, so I won't take much of your time. So for me again, welcome to the State House, and I hope you will enjoy your trip here. So on behalf of my colleagues and everybody, enjoy the visit to the State House. And I must also, because it's it's November, we are towards the end of the year, so I think it's my duty, before you hear it on TV, I must say to you, I wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. And also, remember, your kids are going to go on school break. School break is coming up. Make sure you have to stay where your parents are, you know. Don't go off playing, don't go playing, or you might get, accidents to happen. Yeah, some of the kids, as little as you, some of them drown, you know. Don't go swimming unless you go with an adult. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah? Go with an adult. If you want to go and play into your neighbor's house, who do you ask permission from? From your mother or your father. Yes. Now, always, if you're playing, make sure you see those around you. Make sure that you know the people around you. Okay? And stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe, and keep yourself from any accidents or mishaps. So you get yourself ready, you go into your next class next year. Okay? So with those few words again, we knock up a and enjoy the visit.